And I will pull out the sheet that I have for us. And now in this sheet, we're holding 19 points, yes? So with 19 points, we will open the bidding with
One diamond.
Diamond.
I'm
it's
sorry,
one diamond. So even, and I make it bigger, bear with me. We will open one diamond and not one club because our club and diamonds are 4, 4, yes? So 4 and 4, we start by saying one diamond. Over one diamond, I said, partner, come back with one heart. What would you like to come back afterwards?
2 no trump.
To no trump.
You know trump, yes. So even that you have enough strength for game, don't jump to 3 no trump yet because you want to see if partner maybe has more hearts. However, if the auction went one diamond, one no trump by partner, not one heart, now I'm saying to you, bid 3 no trump because now you know you're not going to go anything higher than the 3 no trump. You know you're not going to have fit in the major, yes? But
Right.
when partner bids one heart, you don't know yet about the strength. You don't know if they have only 6 points or if they have 15. That's why the proper bid over one heart, it's 2 no trump, and over one no trump, it's 3 no trump. Did we get this one?
Yes.
Okay, hand 1.2. In hand 1.2, you holding 14 high card points. And one more time, we will open the bidding with one diamond, yes?
Yes.
And when you open one diamond and partner came back with one heart, do I have a fit in the major?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So as soon as I find a fit, I can apply the losing trick count. Some of you learned, some of you didn't. So the losing trick count would say, look at the top 3 cards in each suit. If you have ace, king, or the queen, that's not a loser. So we're only looking at the top 3 cards in each suit, okay? So in spade, we're holding 2 losers. In hearts, we're missing ace and a queen, so it's 2 losers. In diamonds, we have 2 losers. Somebody has an echo in me. And in club, it's 1 loser. So if I look at those losers, I have still 7 losers, yes?
Yes.
So it's still considered a minimum hand because when you open the bidding, on average, when you open the bidding, you're gonna have a 7 loser hand. And guess what? If I would do point count, just the mama papa bridge, I would say to yourself, okay, I have 14 points, 1 point for shortness. It's still only level to respond. So with bidding 2 hearts, we promise 12 to 15 distributional points, jumping to 3 hearts, which show 16 to 18, and jumping to 4 hearts, which show 19 plus. Or if you're doing the losing trick count would say 7 losers. Here, 6 losers, and going to game would show 5 loser hand, okay? If you never have this lesson on losing trick count, it is very good one, okay? And you can also download on our website. Now, on the next hand, what would you like to, oh, one more question. It went 1 diamond and let's say partner came back with 1 no trump. And now this is your hand. Can I apply the losing trick count?
No.
No.
That's only with the
You can,
suit.
yes, you can only use if you find a fit. So on this hand, if partner came back with 1 no trump, I don't care if you're playing standard American or 2/1. 1 no trump, it's not a forcing bid, yes? 1 no trump shows only 6 to 9 points. So opposite 6 to 9 points and partner denying having 4 card major, do not bid 2 no trump with this hand because there is no hope for a game, yes? If
Right.
partner bids 1 no trump, You just need to pass. However, if partner was bidding 1 heart, they named the new suit. New suit, it's forcing, yes? Not a no trump, okay? Hand 1.3, we holding 17 points, and for the third time, I bid diamonds. Okay, they tell me that diamonds are girls' best friends, yes? So maybe we get lucky on this hand. So it went 1 diamond, 1 heart by partner. Did I find the fit?
Yes.
So I can use the losing trick count. Ace, king, jack, it's a very good combination. You could count this one not a full loser because 50-50 chance you can finesse. So maybe this combination would be like a half a loser. But if you forget and you gave yourself a full loser, it's okay. In hearts, how many losers do I have?
1.
None.
None. Because we're only looking at the top 3 cards in each suit, and I have all of them. I have ace, king, and the queen. So it's 0. However, in diamonds, the suit that I bid first, I have 3. And the tricky one, it's in the clubs because it's only 1 card. I don't have more than 1 loser because afterwards I can be trumping, yes? So if I'm looking at this hand, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. Guess what? That is the best hand that I gonna hold for partner. So 5 loser hand, and when partner responds on level 1, anybody remembers how many losers is the responder promising?
9.
9, yes. So what I can do with that information? If I know my partner promising me 9 and I have 5, 9 plus 5 equals to 14, yes? If you subtract from 18, would tell you which level you should be ending up. So that's why you should be bidding now on level 4 hearts. If you do the old method of counting high card points, you will say I have 17 high card points plus 3 points for shortness, it's 20. Even if partner has 6 points, 20 and 6, we have enough values for game. I will bid 4 hearts. So many of my students get confused and they think that 4 hearts it's closing out. No, this is a closing out auction. 1 heart, 4 hearts by responder. By opener's second bid, 1 diamond, 1 heart, 4 hearts. That says to partner, my hand is so good that even if you only have 6 points, I have now enough values for game, okay? So if partner has more, they can still ask you for aces or the key card, yes? If you play more complex. I'm not going there now. That's going to be another lesson. On the next hand, you are holding 13 distributional points, 13 high card points. So you will open the bidding with
1 diamond.
1 diamond. Even that you have 4, 4 and your clubs are better looking, we want to start by saying first 1 diamond, yes? Over 1 diamond, let's try first 1 heart. What would you like to respond next?
1 no trump.
1 no trump. And you limiting your hand to 12 to 15 points, yes? So 1 no trump shows 12 to 15, denies having 4 hearts and denies having 4 spades. However, if the auction went 1 diamond, 1 no trump, what would you like to be bidding next?
Yes.
You can
Yes.
pass. Yes, pass, it's perfectly fine. Now, if I will have slightly better, just want to make sure, if my diamonds or something like that, it's for some reason hiding, so bear with me. I'm gonna go, all right, doesn't let me do it, but imagine, so there's 4 diamonds, yes? No, doesn't let me. It's okay. Yeah, it's annoying me. Okay, so I had 4 diamonds. By the way, in this auction, if you guys wanted, in theory, you could go back to clubs over the one no trump. And the reason why, you know that partner doesn't have a 4-card major, yes? So how
Yep.
many cards the most they can have in both majors? Only 6, yes?
Mhm.
So far, so good?
Yes.
So if you know they have 6 cards in the majors, how many cards in the minors do they have left?
7.
7.
7. So if you bid 2 clubs now, your partner will gonna have either fit with you in diamonds or clubs, yes? And you're
Mhm.
not reversing, you're not showing any extra values. And because all your points are in the minors, you don't have any points in the majors, I don't mind bidding with this hand 2 clubs because you're gonna guarantee that you're gonna have fit in the minors. Do you guys see it? Also,
Yes.
what you know, that opponent has at least 8 cards in the hard suit. And why? Because you only holding 2 and partner must have the most 3, yes? So opponent now has 8 cards. So you wanna create harder time and stopping the opponent from running the suit. So if you play in the minor in here, you can stop opponent from running their suits. Okay, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
That was
You're
good.
welcome. Hand 1.5. Hand 1.5, 5 and 5, which suit do we open first?
Diamonds.
Diamond. So over 1 diamond, partner came back with 1 heart. Now, what do you think I would like you guys to be bidding?
Mm.
The clubs.
Two
The
clubs.
clubs. Now, if I make it that I give you 6 diamonds, okay, I guess it's again, imagine there's 4 clubs. It didn't like my formatting. Okay. Now, what do you think I would like to be bidding next?
2 diamonds.
Repeat the diamonds.
I will not repeat the diamonds either. I will still be bidding 2 clubs. And the reason why, if I show now partner, even if partner thinks for some reason that I may only have 8 cards between, yes? Between diamonds and clubs. Remember, when I bid the diamonds, I need to have now, when I show 2 suits, at least 4 and 4. Because second suit by opener, how many cards do I promise?
4.
4. If I had only 3 diamonds and 4 clubs, which suit would I open first?
The
Clubs.
club.
The clubs, but I open a diamond. So you guys know now I have at least 8 cards, yes? Versus if I insist only on diamonds, out of 13 cards, your partner knows only about 6. Versus here, if you show partner 2 suits, your partner knows about 8 cards, probably 9 cards out of 13, yes? And
Mhm.
partner should know probably, so over 1 no trump, you could bid 2 clubs with only 4 with this shape, but over 1 heart, I would say to you, the 90-something% of a chance partner will have 5 diamonds at least, not 3 originally. And the thinking behind is, if your hand was balanced and partner bids 1 heart, you could bid 1 no trump with balanced hand, yes? So
Mhm.
you don't have a shape now 4-4 in the minors, 3 clubs, let's say in hearts, and then 2 in spades. You chose to bid second suit, so your hand has to be unbalanced here. And in order to be unbalanced, you have to have singleton somewhere. And you never raise the hearts, you never bid spades, so you most likely you will be 5-4, okay? It's complicated, I know. And I know I probably lost few people by saying this one, but it's really, really a good thing to looking at the bigger picture. Okay, guys?
5-4 just shows you 9 cards. Why do you know there's a singleton?
Because we didn't bid Vicky no trump.
Oh.
Over 1 heart, if I had this hand like that, Even if I'm 4-4, I would prefer bidding 1 no trump to tell partner, count me for at least 2 hearts. My hand is balanced, yes? Here it's different because my partner denies having 4-card major. So I know we never gonna play in the major, yes?
Yes.
Probably not. Maybe partner has 6-card heart suit, but if they have 6-card heart suit, they will be happy to hear from me that I have 2, okay? All right, I'm not gonna make us hard. On hand 2.1, what would you like to open?
Well, one spade.
1 spade. And partner came back with 1 no trump. What would you like to respond next?
2 hearts.
Hearts.
2 hearts, yes. Second suit, if it's a major, you only guarantee 4-card suit, yes? And that is true if you're playing standard or 2/1, if it's a major. Second suit promising only 4. Look at the difference between 2.1 and 2.2. In 2.2, you will open the bidding with 1 heart. And if partner bids 1 no trump, you know that they denying having a 4-card major. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So if you're playing standard, you need to pass with this hand. Do not bid 2 spades. Because if you bid 2 spades, absolutely right, John, that would guarantee 16 plus points, and that would call in bridge reverse, yes? So if you don't have enough values to do the reverse, you need to pass in standard. Okay. However, if you're playing 2/1, if you're playing that 1 no trump, it's forcing, you're not supposed to be passing. You're supposed to be bidding a 3-card minor. So minor, if you're playing 2/1, you can do it with only 3 cards, okay? So this is one of the disadvantages of playing 2/1. Do I like playing 2/1? Absolutely. But this is the only disadvantage it's gonna be, that you cannot pass your partner in 1 no trump, and you have to be bidding now a 3-card minor, okay?
This one, 2 hearts. You know he doesn't have hearts.
2.3. So we're holding 14 points. I think this auction should be easy for us. What do we want to open?
1 diamond.
Diamond. And if partner comes back with 1 no trump, we will bid 2 clubs to tell partner about 2 suits, yes? Don't
Yes.
insist on the diamonds. Especially, you know, now opponent has a 9-card fit in hearts. And why? Because partner denies having 4 hearts. So on the best day, partner will have only 3. So you don't want to be playing in 1 no trump. And how many points is the 2 clubs guaranteeing?
How many points?
Opening.
Up to
12.
how many?
15,
12 to 15.
14.
No, it's 12
14.
and big range up to
Oh.
18 points. So when opener bid second suit and they did not reverse and they did not do strong jump shift, it's still 12 to 18 points. That's why the responder, if they auction went, let's say 1 diamond, 1 heart, 2 clubs, if responder has at least 10 or more points, they're supposed to keep the auction alive by either bidding no trump, jumping in their or suit, or if responder had enough strength for game, they're supposed to be bidding for suit forcing, yes? But over 1 no trump, 1 no trump, it's not a forcing bid. So 2 clubs, it's somewhere between 12 up to 18 points. Okay, guys? Not easy, but the range is that big. That's in standard bidding. Are we ready for the next one? 2.4.
Sure.
You're
Why
holding
just
15
dance?
points.
One heart.
One heart, yes. Over one heart, partner came back with one no trump.
Two hearts.
I was
No.
afraid of that.
No, 3 hearts.
It's 3 hearts. We need to jump. So when do we jump in our own suit versus just repeating on level 2? When we jump to level 3, we're promising 15 to 17 high card points. So with the if you're counting distributional, it's like 17 to 18, 19 points, somewhere around that, yes? So 1 heart, 1 no trump, 3 hearts supposed to be showing 15 to 17 high card points, and maybe like 15 to 16 high card points. Because if I have such a good suit, I might do something different, but you have to look again where your points are. So somewhere between 15 to 17, you should be jumping in the same suit. If you had a lot more points, you should be thinking of jumping to a different suit, okay? So here we jump to 3 hearts. And hand 2.5. How many points do you guys see?
19.
19. I see the same. Okay,
19.
so what would you like to open?
One club.
1 club, and if partner comes back with 1 no trump,
3 no trump.
3 no
you will
trump.
bid 3 no trump. Now let me ask different question. 1 club, 1 heart. What would you like to be bidding next?
2 no trump.
Now you bid 2 no trump, okay? So the difference is that, like I said it earlier, over 1 heart, you don't know yet upper limit of your partner's bid. And you don't know yet if they have more than 4 hearts. They may have 5, 6, or 7 even card suit. So you want to keep the auction alive, okay? Now, we still have time, and I see most of my students are taking lesson before with me. So I will go slightly discussing few more topics, okay? Because we have some extra time. Okay, let me just move this one. Okay. It doesn't like me today. Okay, now it does.
One spade, one no trump.
Okay,
Two.
I will make it more shape. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
But your partner would
The
one no trump.
auction went. You open the bidding with 19 points. On this hand, you will open the bidding with 1 club. Yes?
Yes.
And goes 1 heart. And now you will bid 1 spade. Yes?
Yes.
One spade.
1 spade. Some people will jump to 2 no trump to show 18, 19 points. Yes? But with this hand, you want to be bidding either 1 spade or the 2 no trump. And it's again, depending how you're going to be, what's your partnership agreement, okay? Now, if you bid 2 no trump,
Either way.
most people play that bidding now a new suit. It's called checking back. It's called check back to see if partner has either 4 spades or 3 card heart support. If you never heard of that, do not play it. It is a special convention. It is similar to the 1 no trump. You guys remember, if I had fewer points, let me show you slightly different hand. Imagine your hand, it's this one, okay? For sure now, with this hand, you will bid 2 no trump, yes?
Yep.
Yes.
Now, how would your partner let you know that they have 5 card hard suit and let's say enough strength potentially for game?
3
2 diamonds.
3 diamonds. That is that special convention, yes? And what is it called?
No minor forcing.
New minor forcing.
New
Now-
minor forcing.
New minor forcing, okay? New minor forcing over one no trump, you will need to have at least invitational hand. So you will need to have to bid the new minor, you will need to have at least 11 plus points. The newer people that just took my beginner and advanced beginner, don't listen. Close your ears. Janet, go back to Mike's duplicate. Okay, Janet, now you are ready for the duplicate now.
Okay, bye.
Bye, good seeing you.
Oh,
Okay, so goes one clap, one heart, one no trump, two diamond. You need to have 11 plus points. However, if the auction went one clap, one heart, two no trump, because the two no trump promised 18, 19, now the new minor, you don't need any longer 11 plus points. As long as you have 6, 7 points, it's good enough. Okay, guys?
Yep.
and what does the new minor say? 3 diamonds?
3 diamonds would say partner. I have exactly 5 card heart suit, an invitational or better. And the Vicky behind the concept is that we know that the opener, forget about those hands, we know that the opener has how many hearts for us? 2 or 3, yes?
Mhm.
Yes.
If the responder had only 4 and 10, 11, I'm sorry, like 11 to 12 points, they would just bid 2 no trump because there is never going to be a fit in hearts. Yes?
Yes.
Now, however, if the responder has 6 card heart suit and they know that opener guarantees them 2
Two.
or 3, then they can go to either 3 hearts, 4 hearts, depending on their point count. Yes? The
Yes.
problem goes, what's happened if the responder has a 5 card suit? So when responder has 5 card suit and wanna force the opener to be bidding again, remember, same suit, it's not a forcing bid, yes? Only
Right.
new suit, it's forcing. So that's why somebody came up that these 2 diamonds, a bidding a new minor that was not mentioned, it's that special convention that's it's called new minor forcing, okay? And guarantees exactly 5 card suit in the major and at least invitational hand.
Hmm.
Okay,
So once
Special-
you hear that as the opener, you can assume your partner has at least 11 points.
exactly,
Okay.
exactly, Christine. Mhm. Any other questions do you guys have for me?
I just have a question.
Okay,
If what you were holding when you opened one club, let's
Mhm.
say you have 4 spades.
Yes.
But you also have 18 or 19 points.
I
it
don't mind
more-
bidding. I like, for me, I always like to be bidding the majors. It's
That's what I
easier.
wanted to know. Thank
Yes.
you.
I will bid 1 spade, okay? Now, however, so if goes 1 club, 1 heart, 1 spade, I will do it if I have 4 spades. However, and let me just show you one different slightly example. If I had, okay, it's gonna make me go back. Hold on 1 second. However, if my hand was like that, and when 1 club and my partner now bids 1 spade, which promise 4 or more spades, yes?
Yes, but
Now
no
on
hearts.
this
Right,
hand, do not bid the hearts.
right,
Because
right.
if you bid hearts now, that would be the reverse hand, promising unbalanced hand.
Got it.
So
Thank
here
you.
you will bid now to no trump. But the other way around, I will bid the over 1 heart. I will show this spade. Is that making sense now?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question you guys have for me? We have
Sylvie,
one more minute.
in example 2.1,
Yes.
going all the way back. One spade, one no trump. The responder says one no trump. Have they denied a 4-card major? Because then you
No,
go,
that they do not deny having 4-card major, Vicky, because
They
there's
just-
no room for them to be bidding major on level 1 if they only had 6 points, yes? Or 10
Yeah.
points even, or 9 points, depending what system do you play. So this one no trump does not deny having a 4-card major, but one no trump denies having 4 spades because I could be bidding 1 spade with only 6 points. All right, guys?
okay, great.
Thank you,
Okay.
Sylvia.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.